friends, Happy New Year. May it bring you joy and happiness. We wish you peace and prosperity, good fortune, and new experiences. Modern Warships is excited to enhance these wishes with a heartwarming atmosphere and a festive mood for our players. The Winter Bash event is now underway, which means it's time for gifts. Log into the game every day until January 12th and open the Advent calendar to receive a valuable reward each time. And on the 31st of December, the Modern Warships team will present all our players with a special gift package filled with New Year exclusives. Meet 2024 with a unique set of game items. And don't forget to pass on some warm words to your loved ones. Our Party Rush Gacha promises even more fantastic rewards. Participate using snow tokens, which you can receive as presents or purchase via a special bundle on the Gacha page. This is your chance to acquire 3 rare warships. First up is the Italian flagship, the IT Trieste, classified as a landing helicopter dock with aircraft carrier capabilities. It boasts a robust arsenal of offensive and defensive weaponry. 3 76mm Melara 76-62 super rapid cannons provide versatility against ships and air targets. A twin torpedo launcher adds a threat to enemy submarines. 2 missile slots will give a significant boost to this warship's capabilities in pretty much any mission. And here are the defenses. A fixed but super efficient battery of 8 rapid-fire autocannons, and the Aster 30, a silo-based missile anti-air system. Next, we have the newest French FS Aquitaine frigate. Ships of this class come in 2 types for different roles, anti-ship and anti-air. This frigate belongs to the former class, meaning that it's an amazing tool against any submarine. It's equipped with unique F-17 torpedoes in enclosed side niches and 3 deck-mounted grenade launchers, enhancing your capabilities against enemy submarines. The third reward is the FGS F-124, a German Sachsen-class frigate. An evolution of the F-123 Brandenburg frigate, it incorporates stealth technology and advanced radar systems. The Sachsen class is optimized for anti-air and anti-ship warfare. The standard MRPG König cannon is a well-balanced weapon that maintains efficiency at any range. The ship also has the MLG-27 and Iris-T SLX, powerful AA defenses against any aerial threat, along with 2 optional anti-air turrets of your preference. The unique Bofors M50 grenade launchers effectively counter both enemy ships and torpedoes, boasting high damage and increased projectile velocity. And finally, 2 twin torpedo slots enhance this frigate's sub-hunting capabilities. This gacha is brimming with other exciting rewards. Among them is the JRNG-6 CIWS, a Chinese prototype ship-based air defense system. Armed with cannons and missiles, it offers a formidable defense. While its artillery has a limited range of fire, the damage output is significantly increased. The missiles are equipped with boosters for rapid acceleration, ensuring quick and effective strikes against aerial targets. Another noteworthy reward is the updated version of the first-generation torpedo, the UGST Physic 2. Almost every characteristic is now higher. Damage, speed, range. The reload time, on the other hand, got lower. We haven't forgotten about unique customization options either. The legendary New Beginnings camo is a vibrant way to celebrate the new year with some stunning visual effects. The epic New Year Party flag is a festive symbol, perfect for celebrating the winter holidays. Additionally, the epic Party Magnet title is a perfect fit for those who know how to party hard. The first Battle Pass season of the next year is the Frozen Gale. Its VIP part brings the NH-90 NHF, a multi-role twin-engine attack helicopter developed by a French-German collaboration. This version specializes in attacking aerial, surface, and subsurface targets. It's armed with the Giat AM, a 30mm rotary autocannon to fend off enemy aircraft. For subsurface targets, it has the Hot 3 anti-tank guided missile. as well as the Type 155 SNEB launcher, armed with 68mm unguided rockets. The helicopter is also fitted with the MU-90, third-generation light torpedoes. It can launch 2 of them at once, increasing the chances for a successful attack. Another VIP Battle Pass highlight is the strike version of the Gen 6 multi-role fighter interceptor, the MiG-41M Super Fulmar. This aircraft is armed with cutting-edge weapons against ground and surface targets. It can launch the Grom E-2, long-range, high-precision glide bombs, as well as modernized 9K-121M Vicher M ATGMs that can deliver efficient hits on both surface and aerial targets. For close range, this aircraft can carry a couple of X-38 air-to-surface missiles and the 30mm 9A1 4071K autocannon. It can also engage enemy aircraft using the R-93M air-to-air missiles. Besides new vehicles, the VIP part is also bringing a versatile, Swedish, ship-based artillery system, the Bofors L-50, with a 120mm caliber. What sets this weapon apart from other modern naval cannons is its high rate of fire. The Premium Battle Pass will give our players the Israeli CAS MLRS, an all-weather multi-role complex designed for intercepting enemy aircraft and striking surface targets. This versatile system is ideal for repelling air raids and engaging enemy warships. The main reward of the free Battle Pass part is the USS Long Beach, the world's first nuclear-powered surface ship. Originally conceived as an anti-air missile carrier for aircraft-carrying units, this American nuclear missile cruiser will astonish with its versatility and diverse role capabilities. It's equipped with 3 RUR-5B ASROC multiple launch rocket systems and the Mark 48 torpedoes for submarine warfare. Additionally, it boasts 2 exclusive 127mm Mark 30 cannons, renowned as the best medium-caliber naval guns for dual-purpose use, effective against both surface and aerial targets. 2 double missile slots will also allow this ship to be customized for any kind of mission. The cruiser's AA defenses include 2 C-RAM missile complexes, as well as 2 exclusive systems, the RIM-66E, armed with the extended-range SM-1ER missile, featuring a booster module. The Battle Pass also brings lots of unique customization items. The VIP part brings the legendary Nordic Nobility camouflage. Wield the power of the Vikings to crush your enemies. The premium part of the BP offers another camo and 2 epic avatars. The Epic Quintessence camo will uncover the beauty and mystery of the unknown that shrouds a true warrior in the heat of a battle. It brings its owner the tranquility and strength needed to defeat the fiercest enemies. The legendary Claude Delaunay avatar will tell you about a wonderful person whose fate tied up the skies and the seas. As the head of a warship's air wing, Claude's extensive years of service and challenging battles have sculpted him into a steadfast and dependable leader. The second avatar is Yegor Gusev. If he's servicing your aircraft, don't expect anything less than perfect maintenance. Yegor's vigilant eye watches over your vehicles around the clock. A naturally gifted mechanic, he possesses an intuitive understanding of his machines, enabling him to swiftly address any malfunction. The free part of the Battle Pass will reward you with the rare Reptile camo. Channel the speed, agility, and poise of a serpent to strike your adversaries with lethal precision. Another reward of the free part is the rare Nashua Hamilton avatar. This is a veteran medic and a wise man who's confident that he can solve any conflict in a peaceful way. Nashua teaches first aid on his ship, and he's always happy to give his troops something new, since you never know what knowledge may become crucial on the next D-Day. January is bringing a lot of changes to the game. After numerous requests, we're adding a whole batch of single-color camos available to all players. This will add the anticipated all-white camo, along with a variety of vibrant hues, perfect for giving your warships a distinctive makeover. We're also streamlining the game's progression, particularly in the initial stages, to accelerate your journey to higher levels. This means you'll need less experience to advance through the early levels, and some players may even find their captain's level has unexpectedly risen. Don't miss out on visiting the market to greet our new addition, the Broker. You can now sell your ships in an instant, with no waiting for a buyer, albeit with a small convenience fee. We've also revamped the market interface to make it more comfortable and modern. The Battle Pass Vault is expanding with 2 more seasons, April and May of 2023. This is a chance to score valuable VIP rewards and unique customizations, as well as the USS Constitution II and the FGS F-127 ships. These vessels have already made a mark among players, but the update takes them a step further, with a host of enhancements to rival the top ships in modern warships. The USS Constitution II receives an extra missile for its slot, so it can now boast a 2+2 configuration. Besides, the ship gets a few extra knots of speed, and its exclusive weaponry receives a major boost to its performance. The RIM 200 and RIM 162 ESSM missile complexes can now boast a longer range, higher damage, and more missile velocity, as well as faster guidance. The MJ-7 railguns now have a faster aim, a shorter firing delay, enhanced damage, and an increased critical hit chance. The bold FGS F-127 frigate receives a major boost to its durability, improved maneuverability, and an extended target detection range. Its armament is also getting better. The MRPG Koenig weapon can now inflict more damage, and its projectiles show a higher velocity. The NASAMS anti-air system also receives a performance improvement, with higher missile damage, range, and velocity, as well as a lower reload time.